Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the iPhone 8 mobile phone. Before starting, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn on the phone and undo two bottom screws using a pendulum screwdriver. Next, you need a good suction cup or something similar to take out the screen. Here, we use a suction cup to lift the front assembly. Raise the screen to create a gap and use a plastic cup pry tool or triangular picker to separate and loosen up rubber gaskets on the frame. Lift the screen, keep the direction like opening a book and remove the LCD bracket by undoing 4 screws. And then the earpiece bracket by undoing 3 screws. Next, to free the screen assembly unit, disconnect the battery, touch, LCD and earpiece assembly plugs from the board. Next, move to the bottom and undo 3 screws to take out the bracket. Next, disconnect the speaker buzzer connector and relax the cable. Next, disconnect the Taptic engine connector plug. Next, undo 2 screws securing the Taptic engine. Next, gently pull out the Taptic engine by moving the speaker cable. Next, take out the not working battery by peeling the tapes out. There are 3 adhesive tabs, one on the top and 2 more on battery's bottom side. Gently pull out the adhesive strip using your fingers or tweezer. Please note that the adhesive tabs and placement might change if the device had previous battery replacement. Next, take out the not working battery from the body. Also, make sure to clean the extra adhesive on the surface. Next, place and secure the Taptic engine by securing 2 screws and the connector. Next, secure the speaker plug. Next, secure the bracket by adding 3 screws. Next, place a new battery in the body with adhesive. Next, add pre-cut water seal adhesive into the frame. Please note this tape will not completely protect the device against the liquid. Next, connect the front screen to the body. First, connect the board's earpiece assembly plug, and then secure the LCD and touch assembly plugs. Ensure the connections are secured alongside the battery plug, and then turn on the device for verification. Next, add both brackets by adding 7 screws. Next, to clamp up the phone, click in the top section first. Then simultaneously click sides and the bottom. Just make sure to put pressure on the frame sides. And finalize the installation by adding 2 screws in the bottom. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.